Hi, it's Emily, and thank you so much for clicking this video. So for today, I'm going to be doing another video in my Zodiac series, and for this one, it's going to be the Leo. The Leo is also known as the Lion, and it's a very fierce and courageous sign that always wears their heart on their sleeve. They're warm-hearted and authentic, and since they are a fire sign, they always have a really fiery and passionate personality and drive that moves them forward. I've actually had a Leo in my life that I've been friends with for about 16 or more years, and having them in my life as a friend is so amazing because not only are they really warm-hearted, but they're always really brave and they're really great at helping push you out of your comfort zone as well. So I wanted to create a really fierce look to help represent this sign, and so I did a strong wing liner, some fake freckles, and also put some gold on my eyes as well as my lips, and so I really hope you feel that this represented you well if you're a Leo. And I'll also make sure to link all my previous Zodiac videos in the description bar down below. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you haven't joined already, and let's jump into the look. So like always, I'm going to start by priming my lids to make sure that all the shadows stay in place, and for that I'm going to be using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So for my shadows, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Androgyny palette, but like usual, you don't have to use the same palette as me, you can always just use similar colors. So I'm first going to be taking Safe Word and putting that into my crease just to build up some depth. I'm then going to be picking up some of Dominatrix, which is this gorgeous chocolate color, and I'm going to be putting that in the outer corner of my eye and blending that into the other color that we just put down. Then for the star of the show, I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop and Kathleen Light's Loose Pigment in the Lion. I think this is an absolutely stunning gold color that's perfect in representing the sign, and so I'm going to be putting that all over my lid, and to help stick that down, I'm going to be using the NYX Pigment Primer. And then I'm just going to blend that edge with the brush that we were just using to make sure everything is smooth. I then want to do some liner with this look to help capture the fierceness of the Leo, and for that I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. Okay, so liner is not my strong suit, but I think I got them as good as they're gonna be, and so I'm gonna go ahead and do the base of my makeup, and then I'll be right back after that. Okay, so I'm back from doing my base makeup, and I was actually wanting to add some fake freckles to this makeup look, and so I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in Hazelnut, and I'm just gonna be putting that lightly on my skin and twisting it to create little dots, and tapping a little bit out with Beauty Blender, and doing that process a couple times to create some fake freckles. When I'm creating fake freckles, I don't like to think too hard about where I'm placing them. I like to just go in randomly and kind of with the flow, since natural freckles don't have any pattern to them, and I think this helps them look more real. After I have the fake freckles to my liking, I'm just going to be highlighting my face, and for that I'm going to be using the Ofra highlighter in Star Island. So then to finish up my eyes, I'm going to be taking a really thin brush and then picking up some of Dominatrix and then putting that in the very outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm then going to lightly smudge out my whole lower lash line with Safe Word. I also want to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, and for that I'm going to be going back into the Ofra highlighter in Star Island. Then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Pixi by Petra Double Brush Mascara like always. So for my lips, I'm first going to go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lip in Skin Tight, and then I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lip Ammunition in Galaxy Gold and just put that on the high points and center of my lip. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll make sure to link all my previous Zodiac videos in the description bar down below so you can check that out if you want to. And also, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't joined already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.